Hello guys, welcome to our Weblog YouTube channel. Today I will discuss how to get followers on Instagram from 0 to 10k followers. Nowadays everyone is using Instagram. It's one of the most popular social networking sites on the planet, with over 200 million active monthly members sharing 60 million images and 1.6 billion likes per day. Now Instagram has become more powerful for personal and business brand building. You should not neglect this social media platform. If you have low followers on Instagram, it's time to learn how to get followers on Instagram. The larger your follower will be, the more opportunities you have to engage with followers and create unique opportunities for them. Nowadays many persons are paying for likes and followers on Instagram, but this is not the real way to increase followers. Here we will study step by step how to increase followers on Instagram. 1. Don't go private. Whenever you are making an Instagram account, don't make it private, make it public by going in settings. Because if you will make it public, then viewers will see your post, and if they will be interested they will follow you to see your new post. And if you will make it private, they won't see your post and they will not follow you. So, making it public, your audience will grow much faster. 2. Write a perfect bio. In my opinion, writing a creative and perfect bio is the most important part to get followers on Instagram. You will have a box to write only 150 characters in your bio. Use the common hashtags which are related to your business. It helps people to find your company or brand that will use these hashtags. It will also help an audience of an Instagram what your Instagram account is about. And also add one link in your bio. Make sure it must be related to your brand. 3. Use hashtags in your every post. Hashtags are the best friends for your post, whether you have 0 followers or thousands of followers. Instagram makes it very simple to use hashtags and find the new thing to like and find people to follow. It will be difficult to find the right keyword, hashtags. But an easy way to find the right hashtags to find the competitors' post and the hashtags they are using. A list of most popular common hashtags can be found. Click here. 4. Create engaging photos and videos. Instagram is all about photos and videos. Taking a snap and then posting it on Instagram using hashtags is not enough. You need to edit your image to engage you, followers. There are plenty of online tools present on a laptop or smartphone to edit your image. You can also share short video clips as well as long video clips. You can spend some time to make an awesome video and then send it to your phone to post it in your Instagram account. But now you can also shoot it on your phone, but if you want to make an awesome and creative video, use the editing software to make it shine. 5. Post regularly. Just like any other social media, on Instagram also you should post regularly to engage followers or to get followers. If your post is engaging and interesting, you can post it 5 times a day. But make sure 1 post a day is mandatory. And when is the best time to post? To see this, click here. 6. Follow 50 users per hour. Follow at least 50 users per hour to get your followers. If you follow too many people in 1 hour, you will no longer be able to follow more people. Instagram simply prevents the follow button. They don't ban the account. So, follow 50 people only in 1 hour. And after 1 hour follow again 50 people. Using this trick your followers will increase. 7. Become an active member. Here are the few things that you should do to become an active member. If someone follows you, follow them back. Comment on another post that you are interested in. If someone comment on your photos, reply to them in comments. Like the other photos that you are interested in. In your post tag users who you know personally. Ask questions or invite feedback in your posts. 8. Use your Instagram pictures in your blog posts. WordPress has made it simple to post Instagram pictures in your blog posts. Follow the 2 steps to do this. Log into your Instagram account and then click the photo you want to use in your post. Simply copy the URL and paste it in your blog post. Then it will automatically become a clickable picture in your post. And using this, the person will go to your Instagram account and follow you. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe our Webloc YouTube channel.